every student potentially has a role to play in imagining a sustainable future. We're going to need huge leaps of creativity and imagination to redesign things. The RoundView is a way of understanding sustainability that takes a systems view of the world and says, how does it work? What are the 3 root causes of all environmental problems, and what are their positive opposites, so that we can design things in such a way that we don't cause those problems in the first place. For me, one of the most exciting things is seeing the spark of new ideas in students' minds as they start to think, well, we could do things differently. What if we did it like this? And they start to talk to each other about different ways of thinking about the future. One of the key outcomes from this pilot has been developing an interactive, movable, compact exhibit that has step-by-step process that we can sit in libraries, and that has been so exciting. We cannot wait to get this out into libraries and public learning spaces. So much of sustainability teaching is about doom and gloom. We've had a huge amount of feedback that this has given people hope. It gives people a way to think positively about how we can do things differently. One thing that's been so exciting from this pilot is recognizing how much the students who volunteered to take the toolkit out into the communities have benefited from that. They say it's built their skills and their confidence, and several of these students have actually attributed really great jobs that they've managed to achieve since then from that experience. One of the lessons that we've learned is the value of building a cohort of people that develop their skills over time. Of course, this is challenging though. It takes a bit of resource, it takes management, it takes communication, and the one thing we do realize is everybody's stretched, so we have to find ways to make this as easy as possible for people to embed into their teaching and into their practice. We're looking to scale up across the university and make the resources available in public spaces for people to use, and through the digital resources, so that we've got the tools and capacity for more people to teach sustainability in effective ways. We're now taking that, developing these tools that we're looking to embed in learning spaces around Greater Manchester and further out into, who knows, all over the world is what we're aiming for. We want to turn the RoundView into the 4th R. Reading, writing, arithmetic, and the RoundView, so that everybody on the planet understands these 3 root causes and their positive opposites and starts to use them and embed them in their thinking. Access to this funding was essential. The key thing it gave me was a team, extra staff, but also it brought in expertise from Research IT to develop the ThinkingWare platform. So we were really able to work together and think about how we could take the things we've been developing with UNESCO and with Manchester UNESCO City of Literature much further into our local community and into our student body.